Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Art, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all. The global warming would cause melting of continental glaciers and ice sheets. This would in turn cause a rise in sea level and consequent submergence of coastal lowlands. It is also believed that due to ozone depletion, the level of hydrogen peroxide in the troposphere will increase, which will ultimately induce acid rains. The second effect can be titled as how the ozone layer it affects on the human beings. Higher incidence of ultraviolet rays on Earth's surface due to ozone layer depletion will increase skin cancer, particularly among the white populations. According to an estimate, 1 to 2% decrease in ozone would cause skin cancer to 120,000 people per year in USA alone. According to USA Environment Protection Agency, in 1986, there are about 3 lakh to 4 lakh new cases of skin cancer each year in USA. Increased exposure of the human bodies to ultraviolet rays will decrease their immunity system, making more prone to the infectious diseases. General physical growth will be checked and brain retardation will appear in the tropical regions of the world. Increase of ultraviolet rays will promote photochemical reactions and formations of smog. Smog causes lung cancer and damages to respiratory system. In general, increase of ultraviolet radiation on Earth's surface will adversely affect all forms of life, causing several serious direct and indirect repercussions. The next effect of ozone layer depletion can be titled as the effects on biotic communities. Since ultraviolet radiation in various ways are harmful to the biotic communities, the depletion of ozone layer will multiply adversities over the life forms expressed in several direct and indirect ways. Death of microbes and planktons, loss in photosynthesis of green plants, fish mortality and unfavorable climatic conditions will be the major effects. Plant responses to ultraviolet radiation include reduced leaf size, stunted growth, poor seed quality and increased susceptibility to weeds, diseases and pests. The next effect of ozone layer depletion can be titled as ecological significance of ozone layer depletion. The depletion of ozone layer would trigger a number of changes in the biospheric ecosystems. For example, spectral composition of solar electromagnetic radiation reaching the Earth's surface will be changed. Number 2, due to the increased surface temperature of Earth, the global energy and radiation balance will be changed. Number 3 is increase in temperature may change climate at local, regional and global level. Number 4 is change in climate may alter the physiological characteristics of plants, animals and human beings. Number 5, change will include imbalance in a hydrological cycle and increase in incidence of flood and drought. Number 6 is global warming has been reported as the major cause of coral bleaching. A large scale coral bleaching has already been observed in different parts of the world. Number 7 is El Nino phenomenon may take place quite frequently, causing damage to marine life and change in the climate. It is speculated that depletion of ozone layer in the stratosphere would upset whole ecological balance of the biospheric ecosystems and the effects would be catastrophic.